Hi, David. What are you doing today?
Hi, Sarah. Nothing much. I'm just reading a book.
Oh, nice. Do you like reading?
Yes. I love adventure stories.
Cool. I like adventure movies more than books.
Haha. That's okay. What is your hobby?
I like drawing. I can draw animals and flowers.
Wow. You must be very creative.
Thank you. Do you draw too?
No, I can't draw. But I play football.
Oh, you play football. Do you play every day?
Not every day. I play 3 times a week with my friends.
That sounds fun. Are you good at it?
I think so. I play as a goalkeeper.
Oh, that's important. Do you have a favorite player?
Yes. I like Lionel Messi.
Nice. Many people love him.
Do you have any other hobbies?
Yes, I also like music. I play the piano.
Really? That's amazing. How long have you played?
For 2 years. But I'm still learning.
I want to hear you play one day.
Sure. Can play a simple song for you.
Great. And maybe I can teach you football.
Haha, deal. You teach me football and I play piano for you.
Perfect exchange.
Do you like singing?
Um, I sing, but very badly.
Ha, same. My sister tells me to stop singing at home.
Poor sister. But singing is fun even if we're not good.
True. Hobbies make us happy.
Yes, and they make life interesting.
The supermarket. Hi, John. What are you doing here?
Hi, Emma. I'm shopping for food.
Oh, me too. What are you buying?
Some apples, bread, and milk.
Yummy. I love apples.
Yes, they are sweet and healthy.
Do you cook at home?
Sometimes. But usually my mom cooks.
Ha, same here. My mom is a great cook.
What is your favorite food?
Pasta. I can eat it every day.
Me too. Pasta is the best.
Talking about school.
Hey, Lisa. How was school today?
Hi, Tom. It was good. We had English class.
Oh, do you like English?
Yes, but grammar is difficult.
Haha, I agree. What about math?
Math is okay. My teacher is very nice.
Lucky you. My math teacher gives too much homework.
Oh no. What subjects do you like?
I like history. I enjoy learning about the past.
That's cool. I like science experiments. Weekend plans.
Hey, Maria. What are you doing this weekend?
Hi, David. On Saturday, I'm going to the park.
Nice. With friends?
Yes, with Anna and Kate. We will have a picnic.
Sounds fun. What will you eat?
Sandwiches and fruit. And maybe some cake.
Yum. I love cake. What about Sunday?
On Sunday, I'll stay home and watch a movie.
Good idea. I want to watch a movie too.
Talking about the weather. Hi, Alex. The sun is so hot today.
Yes. It feels like summer already.
Do you like hot weather?
Not really. I prefer cold days.
Oh, I love summer. I can eat ice cream every day.
Haha, true. But in winter, we can drink hot chocolate.
That's nice too. What's your favorite season?
Winter. I like snow.
Mine is spring. Flowers look so beautiful. Ordering food at a restaurant.
Hello. Welcome to our restaurant.
Thank you. Can I see the menu, please?
Of course. Here you go.
I want a burger.
Okay. Do you want fries with that?
Yes, please. And a cola.
Great. Anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you.
You're welcome. Your food will be ready soon.
Perfect. I'm so hungry.
Talking about sports. Hi, David. Do you like sports?
Yes, I love football.
Oh, nice. Do you play often?
Yes, 3 times a week with my friends.
That's cool. I play basketball.
Really? I'm not good at basketball.
Haha, that's okay. What's your favorite team?
Barcelona. And you?
Lakers. I like watching NBA games.
Sports are fun and healthy.
Talking about festivals. Hi, Tom. Are you excited for the festival?
Yes. I love festivals.
What's your favorite part?
Fireworks at night.
Oh yes, they are beautiful.
And also the food stalls.
Yummy. I like sweets at festivals.
Same here. Do you go with family or friends?
With both. It's more fun together.
Yes. Festivals are about joy and sharing.
Talking about friendship. Hey, Emma. You are my best friend.
Aw, thank you. You are my best friend too.
Friends always help each other, right?
Yes. That's what makes friendship special.
Remember when you helped me with homework?
Of course. And you helped me when I was sick.
True. Friends make life happy.
Yes. And also fun. We laugh a lot.
Haha, yes. Let's always be friends.
Always.
Talking about health. Hi, Sarah. You look tired today.
Yes, I didn't sleep well last night.
Oh no. Did you drink coffee?
Yes, too much coffee.
Haha, that's why. You should drink water and rest.
You're right. What do you do to stay healthy?
I eat vegetables and go for walks.
Good idea. I want to try walking every day.
Yes, even 20 minutes helps.
Thanks, Emma. I'll start today. Talking about travel.
Hi, Maria. Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love it. I want to see the world.
Me too. Where do you want to go first?
Paris. I want to see the Eiffel Tower.
Well, I want to go to Japan.
Japan is beautiful. I want to see cherry blossoms.
Do you travel often?
Not really. Maybe once a year.
Same here. But even short trips are fun.
Yes. Traveling gives us new memories. Shopping for clothes. Hi, Sarah. What are you doing? Hi. I'm at the mall, shopping for clothes. Oh, nice. What are you buying? A new dress. There's a party this weekend. Wow. What color do you like? Blue. I think blue looks good on me. Yes, blue is beautiful. Do you like shopping? Yes. I love buying shoes. Haha, I love shoes too.
Going to the doctor. Hi, Alex. Why are you here?
Hi, Tom. I have a headache.
Oh no. Did you see the doctor?
Yes, the doctor said I need rest.
That's good advice. Did he give you medicine?
Yes, some tablets.
Do you feel better now?
A little. I will sleep early tonight.
Good idea. Take care of yourself.
Thanks, Tom.
Hit the subscribe button.